Greetings to you all. How are you? And if you are new to our YouTube channel, guys, kindly hit the subscribe button, like and share. I am AIM Agriculture, your full-time poultry plug. And my role today is just to tell you, encourage you, and give you the strategies on how you should go big. Go big in poultry. Although it is not for the faint-hearted. Look at our masterclass, enroll, learn, and you'll never get it wrong. Now, leave alone this fear that is mostly embedded in people of like, I can't do this thing, it is very expensive, or this thing, it is very risky, I'll lose some money. This is just a business like any other business. This is just a business like any other business. We usually say start small. Yes, you can start small, but it also depends how small. You know, you cannot start by keeping 10 birds, commercial layers. It's even impossible. That's why you'll find that hatcheries will supply you a minimum of 50 birds. But when you start by 50 birds, you start by keeping your first 50 birds. Don't stop at that. It is not a cheap affair. Yes, it is an affordable affair if you follow the strategies I've given you in the other episodes. But my point is, come into this business wholeheartedly with much energy and passion. You will make it. Strategize yourself in a way and say that even though I'm going to start with 100 birds, bring your first 100 birds. After 4 months, when they start laying, bring another 100 birds, like that until you meet your target. But you have to be very smart, very smart. You don't need a block wall structure so that you can succeed in poultry farming. No. You can use old timber, old iron sheets, but just build them well, put them at the right place, and you start your project, and you're good to go. If you have the market, you can make your own feed. You have the knowledge. What is the fear? What is the fear? Personally, I started chicken farming in the year 2017. What was driving me to start the project was just passion. I was keeping the birds in a bed sitter. The birds I mean, I used to have my incubator in the bed sitter. My bed is here, my incubator is here, my gas cooker is there. So when I could hatch these chicks, I could first stay with them in the house for 2 days because I didn't have that much money to even afford to buy much charcoal to brood these birds. And I was so afraid of losing my birds in the first 2 days because that is the only thing I had. Thanks be to God, I was very good in sourcing markets for my day-old chicks, so they could hardly stay for long. But that is not where I dreamt to be. Neither where I am now is not where I'm dreaming to be. So I try to weigh options, and I'm like, I'm not gonna fear. I want to go and grow big in poultry. So I move from the bed sitter, I moved to a 1-bedroom, then I use my living room as my brooder, and I thank God to my agent. They were very understanding and they couldn't give me any pressure on the business I was doing. We were living in a flat, in an apartment, human beings with chickens. That didn't deter me. I move from there, I proceed to Somalia, Mogadishu, where I work as a production manager and as well in Eritrea. I was doing all that, saving just to start this project. Then I look at it and say, with the savings I have, if I go directly into purchasing property and building a farm, the money will be exhausted, I'll not have enough resources to start the project. Then I say, my aspirations, ambitions dream and vision will not be hampered. So I lay a clear path of how I'm going to achieve my dream in less than 10 years. So from my savings, then I hire or lease land to produce corn. I go into maize production for the first year. The second year I gain more experience. Then in the third year, I'm a pro. In the fourth year now, I'm producing lots of corn per acre. So from the process of the corn, then I'm able now to acquire this property, buy this land. With you tubing, tractor hire services, consulting, putting all that together, I'm able to build my residence, I'm able to build a wall, and able to build my chicken house. Then with these years' produce, I divide 50% to getting the birds and 50% to be used as feed. That is where I am seated today. This journey didn't start yesterday. That's why I'm telling you, there is no need to be afraid. Even though you are passionate, you don't have the resources, don't be afraid. Don't look down. Keep watching our videos, keep strategizing on how you will get the resources to start this thing. We've started with 5,500 in this year 2024 again. But you're going to offlay some birds and be left with 3,200 or 3,100. That is what our structure can hold on deep litter. So if we walk this path, gotten here in a period of 2017 to date, that's about that's about 7 years. Why the fear? Get encouraged. Psych up. Get the courage and say, if AIM Agriculture did it, you could watch AIM Agriculture just visiting farms. Some of you are asking, where is this man's farm? It was a pipe dream. Now we are here. So if we did it, why can't you do it? And this episode is just to give you the psych, give you the morale, give you the confidence, and tell you that, you know what? Dream big. Don't be afraid. As much as chicken farming is not for the faint-hearted, but you're gonna make it. I love you, and nobody loves you more than AIM Agriculture Farm does. Get our masterclasses. Let's meet on our website. WhatsApp me if you get any challenges, and also WhatsApp me on the topic that you enjoyed most. Remember, the courses are at half price. Bye-bye.